Most people who lose money in crypto weren't hacked. They clicked one button, and everything was gone. No warning, no refunds, no recovery. It doesn't matter if you're new or experienced or using a popular wallet. If you don't understand how Web3 really works, you're already at risk. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why. No hype, no fear tactics, just the truth. Web3 is real. Blockchains are real. Smart contracts work. But here's what nobody tells you. Web3 removes banks. It removes customer support. It removes reversals. There is no company to call, no fraud department, no undo button. If you make a mistake, the blockchain executes it perfectly. That's not a flaw. That's the design. People think they lose money because of market crashes. That's wrong. Most people lose money because they click fake links, connect to fake websites, approve malicious contracts, trust the wrong wallet pop-up. In Web3, you don't need to be hacked. You just need to sign the wrong transaction once, and it's over. DeFi is real. It works exactly as programmed. And that's the problem. If the code is flawed, you lose. If the contract is malicious, you lose. If you approve something you don't understand, you lose. DeFi doesn't protect users. It executes instructions perfectly, without mercy. The most dangerous wallets in crypto are browser wallets. MetaMask, Phantom, browser-based trust wallet. They're exposed to fake pop-ups, malicious extensions, phishing attacks, blind approvals. Most crypto thefts happen right here, not from hacking blockchains, but from tricking people. Mobile wallets are slightly safer than browser wallets, but they still have risks. Fake apps, malware, and SIM swap attacks. They're fine for small balances, but storing serious money here is like carrying cash in your pocket. The safest wallets are hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor, Keystone. Your private keys never touch the internet. Even if your computer is infected, your funds stay safe. This is what professionals use. This is what long-term holders use. For XRP users, Zaman is one of the safest wallets available. No browser exposure. Strong transaction verification. Minimal attack surface. It's not flashy, but it's built for security, not speculation. People don't lose money because of technology. They lose money because of greed, FOMO, trusting influencers, chasing fast profits. The fastest way to lose money in crypto is trying to get rich fast. Web3 is real. DeFi is real, but it rewards knowledge, not hope. If you want to survive in crypto, use hardware wallets, don't chase yield, verify everything, never sign what you don't understand. Because in Web3, you are your own bank and your own security team. If this helped you understand crypto better, share it with someone before they learn the hard way. Stay smart, stay safe,